Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Charlotte and today I am going to be doing a card, a Valentine's card. I am switching gears from sewing. Recently I got a Christmas card from my aunt. I think she's my only remaining aunt living, and she's in her 90s. And she sent me a Christmas card just not too long ago. But anyway, it's a very pretty little card. And I have to say, though, I usually send her Christmas cards, but this year I didn't send out any cards. And so she didn't get one from me. And I feel kind of guilty about it because in her card she wrote, "I enjoy getting card from you. Your mother would like that." My mom has been gone for a few years now, too. So I think I need to send her a Valentine's card. It's nothing like having an aunt to make you feel guilty. So today a Valentine's card is in the works. And I'm just going to show you a few of my things. I already have the cardstock cut and ready to go. I had to get it to fit in another envelope because I have tons of envelopes with no cards, so I just cut it to fit. And pulled out a bunch of scrapbook paper that kind of is pink or has kind of a Valentine-ish theme. And I started rummaging through all my scrapbooking stuff. And I thought, okay, I'm just going to pull all this stuff out and just to see what is going to inspire me. I cut out a few hearts. I don't know if they're going to be enough. But anyway, I've got some paper hearts cut out. I have some string. And I think I'm kind of ready to go. For some reason, I think I'm liking this paper here. I don't usually measure things, I just kind of eyeball. Kind of like the style of a rough edge instead of just trimming it with my whatever this thing is, or scissors. And I save all kinds of scraps. So this will be my background. Can't tell if I like it this way. And I had a love cut out earlier. Now I can't find it. There it is. I think it would look better against the black. So, since I know I want this, I'm going to glue this down. decided on that yet. I think I want to put a banner of hearts with this love. I'm not sure which way is going to look the best. So, since I've decided I want to put the love in the here, I will glue it down. I like to put these little liquid glue dots along the edges so that, because this tape here doesn't get to the edges very well. And like I said, I'm not too concerned about measuring or making sure things are straight. I like to just eyeball everything. Now the question is how I'm going to attach this string. Guess I'm going to have to just roll it in the glue. Hold that down for a few minutes. I need to be using my tweezers. All right, sticky fingers. Okay, blow that off. Let that dry a little bit. Okay, I'm back. I think this is dried enough for me to continue working. So now I'll just add my hearts. See how they look before I glue everything on. Okay, I think I'm going to speed things up a little bit so I can figure out where to place these hearts. Well, here it is. It's done. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this Valentine's card for my aunt. If you did, please consider subscribing. My name is Charlotte Littlejohn. That's my YouTube channel. And I have an Etsy store called Charlotte's Collection. So thanks again for watching and see you next time.